Hey everybody, I'm up in the Georgia-Washington National Forest. I'm off the Massanutten Trail, and over in that valley over there, over that way, is the South Fork of the Shenandoah River. And what I wanted to talk to you about was that is the general area of in the 70s was the Thunderbird Archeological Site. They did some digs over there, and you know, it's long since been turned into residential housing, and you can't really see anything from this video. I'm just kind of pointing you, you know, in the general direction. But anyway, along the bluffs of the South Fork of the Shenandoah over there, there were jasper quarries where almost a factory of sorts, where Clovis type points were, produced over there, and it dated to, I want to say, like 9,000 BC. So I mean, you're talking a very ancient site. And something else that was discovered there, not just there, but kind of all along the South Fork and even the North Fork of the Shenandoah, were several sites that were villages, and these villages, they were permanent settlements, which kind of goes against the traditional school of thought for the Paleo-Indian period. Some of these villages had as many as 1,000 residents. So I mean, this was a massive settlement of Paleo-Indians, and that's just it's something that's kind of been ignored by the mainstream quite a bit, because that really turns things on its head. If you think about it, there weren't supposed to have been in that time frame, and especially in North America, settlements, permanent settlements like that, with essentially tool-making factories, ancient tool-making factories. Another thing, it takes its name, Thunderbird, because along the South Fork, there was, I want to say, I'm not as well versed in this as I would like to be, but I want to say, like, there was an area about a quarter mile of effigy mounds, and one was in the shape of a thunderbird, so that's how it takes its name. So anyway, this is one of those things I want to one of these days research it a whole lot more. I got a little bit too much going on right now, but one of these days I'll learn a lot more about it. But most people don't know about this site, and most people that live around here don't. Unfortunately, I would drive down into there. It's like I said, it's residential housing now, so you can't really see anything. And I mean, of course, you can't really see anything here either. But that over there is kind of the general direction. So I'll talk to y'all later.